what is the divine's message for you? What is the divine trying to tell you? The universe is trying to tell you something. Hello everybody, welcome to Amity Tarot channel. And if you're watching this video today, या ये वीडियो आपके फीड में 6 महीने बाद आ रही है या 1 साल बाद आ रही है या 2 साल बाद आ रही है, डजेंट मैटर. आप जब भी इस वीडियो को देख रहे हो, इट इज रेलेवेंट टू यू, नहीं तो आप ये वीडियो देखते ही नहीं. ओके, सो आई हैव स्प्रेड आउट अ कार्ड and what I see right now is whoever you are and whatever phase you are in your life, you're a lot anxious, you're a lot very worried and fearful about the coming future कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, क्योंकि आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि लाइफ की सिक्योरिटी हिल रही है. अब ये सिक्योरिटी फाइनेंस में भी हो सकती है, ये सिक्योरिटी रिलेशनशिप में भी हो सकती है, आपके जॉब, करियर या बिजनेस में भी हो सकती है. यूर ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग मोर सिक्योरिटी इन योर लाइफ, यूर फीलिंग इनसिक्योर एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आप बहुत एंशियस, fearful and worry हो रहे हो सकते हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो डिस्टर्बिंग योर स्लीप पैटर्न्स. ओके, सो नाउ द यूनिवर्स इज ट्राइंग टू टेल यू, wake up my child, wake up. It's time that you move forward. It's time that you take the right direction, right decisions, talk to right people, take guidance from people, take help from people. Generally this card comes now, it is just not about taking the right direction. It is also that people are there to support you. You're not asking for it. So if you ask for it, you will get it. Okay, so whatever you are anxious about, feeling depressed about, or feeling lonely, not able to have the security in your relationship or your love life, or with your finances, using up all your savings or something like that, it's high chance it's now the time. Stand up, wake up and move forward. Learn from the past and move forward. Okay, you have all the potential you need, you have all the skills you need, you have all the resources you need to create a brighter future for you. But the problem where is coming is that your vision is not clear. Because of the past, there's so much of victim mentality in your head. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि आप इतने stuck up हो गए हो, या आपके साथ बहुत गलत हो गया है, या चीजें आपके फेवर में वर्कआउट नहीं हो रही हैं, या यूनिवर्स आपसे प्यार नहीं करता, या यूनिवर्स आपके फेवर में वर्क नहीं कर रहा है. इस वजह से आप ना इतने विक्टिमाइज्ड हो गए हो ना हेड से कि आप अपने चारों तरफ देख नहीं पा रहे हो, आप अपने इंट्यूशन को फॉलो नहीं कर पा रहे हो. आपके पास सब कुछ है. दिस कार्ड इज कमिंग. It's like all the resources, all the skills and everything that you need, and all the potential that you need, everything is there. The thing that to manifest is have a big vision, have a greater vision. If you have a big vision and a greater vision and you work towards it, because see, these two cards coming in a spread, that means it's time that you stand up, you work, whatever you know, do it, and step by step universe will support you. It's a very good card. The only thing is when it comes with this, it is just that you have to come out of your victim head. You have to come out from the past. जो होना था वो हो गया. जो past के thoughts, past के memories थे, उन्हें अब आप हटाइए. There are a lot of things around you. There are a lot of good things around you, but you're not looking at it. Okay? So this is the message for today, or whenever you're watching this video. It's time you stand up, it's time you wake up, it's time you move forward. You have everything you desire, it is just not taking up the steps. And if you want to have a private reading, because ये तो एक general reading था, अगर आपको कोई private reading चाहिए, group reading चाहिए, couple reading चाहिए, या if you want to learn tarot, my email is mentioned in the caption below. Email me and I'll let you know how we can meet up, and let's see what the universe has to say for you.